It's the single-seat S1D model of the hits that, as Jonathan said, they're flying. Formation for Luke, the yellow upper surfaces, certainly from our perspective, looking fantastic against that dark bit of sky. They'll be transitioning here into echelon formation. There they go, you can see the change from line abreast into echelon for a manoeuvre they call Horseman, a tribute to one of the signature manoeuvres performed by the Horseman aerobatic team of B-51 Mustangs from the United States. There's an opposition brake.
Both pilots are qualified flight engineers. I was telling you about team leader Richard Grace. Dave Holliston is the other pilot.
Formation here for another line abreast loop. And having completed this, we'll see them pulling up once again towards the far left-hand end. Synchronized straight turns. There they are pulling up. We see them separating slightly towards the top of the climb, and round they both go. Once again, it's a closer formation now for a barrel roll. These two great friends, they've been flying together for years, not just in the pits, but also the variety of warbirds that they both display on the circuit these days. Richard Grace on the Cassett Racer, Formula 1 air racing aeroplane. Now, plenty of warbirds in their repertoire, special. So, breaking into that loop. Excellent mix in this display as we're seeing of close formation and opposition manoeuvres so far. Another opposition manoeuvre coming up now in towards one another. They'll be pulling up as they cross. Or maybe not. Let me now go into head on towards one another. Pushing over uncomfortably at the apex there, ready for another smart join up into the close two-ship formation.
Really saw the power to weight ratio there, didn't you, at the top of that?
Yes, this has always been one of the absolute favourite display aeroplanes. Of course, in terms of coming in towards us once again for what they call the Trig triple turnaround. It's a trio of half-Cuban manoeuvres. We'll see them going on to the various display axes here. A-axis is the one that's basically parallel to the main runway in front of us, and when we refer to the B-axis, that's the one at 90 degrees onto that. Nonetheless, they'll be maintaining an absolutely rock-steady formation. Very nicely done indeed.